Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create a super converting sales funnel for completely free. So you've got your product, you've got a lead magnet, you've got a blog that you want to drive traffic to, but you also want to get people onto your email list, then this is perfect for you and it's not going to cost you anything. So let me just show you. It's the Kypron marketing system. So this is the campaign creator that you get for free with step-by-step instructions. So you can select your capture page, whether you want a static page or you want to embed a video onto your capture page. You can do that. Then you can add the autoresponder. So whether you've already got GetResponse or Aweber, you can just link that up. If not, you can use the Kypron internal mailer system, which is brilliant and again doesn't cost you anything. Then you've got your thank you page, and we'll show you how to do a bridge page. If you don't know what a bridge page is, don't worry, we'll talk you through that. And then you just click the button and you create your campaign. So this is an example of one of my capture pages for the marketing system. And as you can see here, I've been able to pull through my Facebook page. So that gives social proof. And I can edit any of this text here. And then this link here will go through to my thank you page. So if you go back, if I go back to here, you can just see how easy it is to edit. You click on the edit page. And you can change the background image if you want to. So you can upload a new image, any background image that you want. I can show you how to get hold of stock photos for that. That's really easy. So I've got some here that I've downloaded. I could change it to this one here, or I could what here? Any scene that you like. Let's pop this one here. Okay. So any background image that you want to add in, you can do so. If you want to then edit the text here, you can edit this here. You can also edit the pop-up form so that you've got it so it's GDPR compliant. So that's all really, really easy to do. And I say we go through that step by step with you, and it is all free. So if you now want access to your free marketing system, all that you need to do is click on the link, which will be in the description, or if you're watching this on Facebook, then click the Learn More button. That'll take you and you can immediately download the system, or comment below and it'll take you straight over to Facebook Messenger and I can send you the link from there. All right, any questions, please do add them below and I will speak to you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.